Hey there wanderers, stuck on where to take your next family trip? Don't worry. Today we are unveil the top 15 family vacation spots that promise unforgettable adventures for everyone. So sit tight, relax and let's dive into the fun. Number 1. Disney World, Florida, USA. First up on our list is the one and only Disney World in Florida. Get ready to step into a world of magic and wonder, where fairy tales come to life and dreams really do come true, with thrilling rides, enchanting characters and immersive attraction for all ages. Number 2. Tuscany, Italy. Next, we are jetting off to the picturesque countryside of Tuscany. Here, you'll find rolling hills dotted with vineyards, historical towns straight out of a storybook, and some of the most mouthwatering cuisine in the world. From exploring medieval castle to indulging the authentic gelato, Tuscany offers a perfect blend of relaxation and adventure for families. Number 3. Gold Coast, Australia. Now, let's head down under to the sun-kissed shore of the Gold Coast with its stunning beaches, thrilling theme parks, and abundant wildlife. Number 4. Costa Rica. For family craving a taste of adventure, Costa Rica is the perfect destination. With its lush rainforests, diverse wildlife, and thrilling outdoor activities, Costa Rica offers an unforgettable experience for nature lovers of all ages. Number 5. Hawaii, USA. Aloha from Hawaii, where paradise awaits the whole family. With its stunning beaches, crystal clear waters, and volcano landscape, Hawaii is the dream destination for families looking to unwind and explore. Number 6. Kyoto, Japan. Now, let's journey to the cultural hearts of Japan. With its historical temples, traditional tea ceremonies, and stunning gardens, Kyoto offers a unique blend of ancient charm and modern convenience. Number 7. Banff National Park, Canada. For families seeking adventure amidst breathtaking scenery, look no further. The Banff National Park in Canada, with its towering mountains, turquoise lakes, and abundant wildlife, Banff offers endless opportunities for outdoor exploration. Whether you are hiking through pristine wilderness, canoeing on serene lakes, or stargazing under clear night skies, Banff is sure to leave you awestruck. Number 8. Santorini, Greece. Experience the beauty of Santorini, where whitewashed buildings cling to cliffside overlooking the azure Aegean Sea. Families can explore charming villages, soak up the Mediterranean sun on stunning beaches, and indulge in delicious Greek cuisine while taking in breathtaking sunsets. Number 9. Yellowstone National Park, USA. Discover the wonders of Yellowstone National Park, located in the heart of the American West. Families can witness geothermal features like Old Faithful, spot wildlife such as bison and bears, and embark on scenic hikes through pristine wilderness. Number 10. Dubai, United Arab Emirates. Explore the modern marvels of Dubai, where towering skyscrapers, luxurious shopping malls, and world-class attractions await. Families can enjoy thrilling adventures like desert safaris, indoor skiing, and visiting iconic landmarks such as the Burj Khalifa. Number 11. Machu Picchu, Peru. Embark on a journey to the ancient Incan citadel of Machu Picchu, nestled high in the Andes Mountains of Peru. Number 12. Paris, France. Experience the magic of Paris, the city of light, where iconic landmarks, world-renowned museums, and charming neighborhoods await. Families can marvel at the Eiffel Tower, explore historical streets, and indulge in delicious pastries at quaint cafes. Number 13. Grand Canyon National Park, USA. Discover the awe-inspiring beauty of the Grand Canyon, one of the world's most famous natural wonders. Families can hike along scenic trails, take the breathtaking views from overlooks, and experience the grandeur of this iconic landscape. Number 14. Great Barrier Reef, Australia. Dive into the vibrant underwater world of the Great Barrier Reef, home to colorful coral reefs and diverse marine life. Families can snorkel, dive, or take a glass-bottom boat tour to explore this UNESCO World Heritage Site and discover its incredible biodiversity. Number 15. Copenhagen, Denmark. Last but not least, we are off to the charming city of Copenhagen, with its fairy tale castles, vibrant markets, and family-friendly attractions like Tivoli Garden. Copenhagen is a delight for visitors of all ages. To wrap it up, these top family vacation destinations promise unforgettable memories for all. So pack your bags, gather the family, and get ready for the adventure of a lifetime.